In 4.4, we're going to multiply using expanded form. So remember, expanded form is when you take a number and you break it apart by its place value. So if we have the question, the problem, 19 times 75 hundredths, we're going to break them apart into their individual place values. So 19, we're going to break it into 10 and 9. And 75 hundredths, we're going to break it into 7 tenths and 5 hundredths. Okay, now we're going to multiply each one. So we're going to take the 10, we're going to multiply it by the 7 tenths, and then the 10 by the 5 hundredths. We'll do the 9 by the 7 tenths, and the 9 by the 5 hundredths. Okay, so whenever we multiply anything by 10, remember it's really easy. We just move the decimal to the right one time. So if we multiply 10 times 7 tenths, we'd move the decimal to the right. It would just be 7. 10 times 5 hundredths, we move the decimal to the right, and it's 5 tenths. Okay. If we times 9 times 7, it's 63. And then how many digits are to the right of the decimal? 1. So we're going to move the decimal back 1. So it's 6.3. And then 9 times 5 hundredths. So 9 times 5 is 45. So I'm going to write down my 45. And then let's look how many digits are right of the decimal. We've got 1 and 2. 2 digits right of the decimal. So that means we move the decimal back twice. 1, 2. You can just line them all up. 7, 6.3, 0.45, 45 hundredths, and 5 tenths. And then just start adding. So we've got a 5. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Regroup the 1. 13, 14. And then just bring that decimal straight down. And your answer should be 14 and 35 hundredths. And here's your extra credit problem. Do it like this in expanded form. So 27 times 8 and 3 tenths.